reason relationships fail. Number 4, a lack of appreciation.
Yes.
One of the most underestimated reasons that relationships crash and burn is a lack of appreciation.
Yes.
Men want to be appreciated for financially taking care of their families.
Yes.
And women want to be appreciated for the 17 million things that they do for their family that won't get done without them, but barely ever gets noticed.
Facts.
Right? So we must show appreciation to one another. When somebody does something for you, don't just take it, say thank you. It seems like, why do I need to say thank you every time somebody gives me something? Because it's good doggone manners. I mean, is it me?
It's just lost.
You get what I'm saying? When somebody does something for you, you say thank you. When you notice somebody doing something great for you in your relationship, whether it's just bringing you a cup of coffee or, not squeezing a doggone toothpaste in the middle like a psychotic maniac, say thank you.
Dang. All right, so the 5th reason why relationships tend to fail is lack of physical intimacy. Now, this is big for men because this is how we connect with our women. Now, let me just say, I know there are a lot of reasons why you may not want to be physically intimate with your partner. You have to know that we feel disconnected and also rejected.
I get that, which leads me to my next point, okay? The 6th reason that relationships fail is a lack of emotional intimacy, okay? Now, guys may feel that their connection lies in the physical, but our connection lies in the emotional. Women need to feel, in a love relationship, women need to feel emotionally connected to her man. And if we do not feel that emotional connection, we do not have a desire to be physical. And because we feel disconnected.
I get it.
See, we need opposite things from one another, but no one manages to figure out how to put the two doggone together. You get what I'm saying? Man needs to give her the emotional intimacy that she needs without sex. And because that's what she needs to get her juices flowing. And a woman needs to give the man the physical aspect of what he's needing, which most of the time she is already doing. And the reason that she stops is because the man generally stops giving her that emotional intimacy that he once did but when they were dating. See, men used to know how to handle women with finesse. That's how they got what they wanted. But nowadays, y'all all brash and disrespectful and wonder why she has no plans on following you nowhere. Ladies need to be treated like ladies. And ladies start becoming more hard because they stop being treated like ladies.
I like that. I mean, I can't say nothing to that other than you're right. This is a whole generation of guys who have just gone off the rails and just rogues.
Just rogues, See, my husband, he knows how to finesse. Therefore, he knows how to get what he wants. I know, he know, we both intelligent individuals, but it's all in how you treat somebody.
Yes.
It's all in how you make them feel. Do you understand what I'm saying? And this is not about trickery.
Nope.
This is about being genuine in your intentions.
Yes.
Because you can't, let me tell you something about when you're doing some trickery and some foolishness. You can't keep it up forever.
No.
You can't keep trickery up forever. So when you come at a lady and your intentions are good and genuine, she will feel you, right? But let you start switching up, she gonna feel that too.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then she gonna switch up too. All right, so be careful.
I think that's a great place to leave it. Guys, if you heard something you liked, disliked, whatever it was, it moved you, drop it in the comments box below. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes, indeed. And if you would, if you could, like, and share.
That's right. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
And subscribe, doggone it. Until next time.
Peace.